Good morning, students. Welcome to today's class. Last class we started the topic industries. Today let us discuss a few more topics about industries. As I told you that industries, there is a question: what do you mean by an industry? So industry refers to an economic activity that is concerned with production of goods, extraction of minerals, or the provision of services. So this will be your answer. If there is a question, what do you mean by an industry? Now let us discuss industries, how industries are classified. Industries are classified on the basis of size, ownership, and raw material. So when we are talking about the types of industries, we have agro-based, mineral-based, marine-based, and forest-based. Agro-based industries. Let us see more about agro-based industry. Agro-based industries use plant and animal based products as their raw material. So what is the raw material for agro-based industry? They use plants and animals for making the products completed. So examples for this: food processing, vegetable oil, cotton textile, dairy products, and leather textiles. These are all the examples for agro-based industries. So here you can see edible oil, some of the examples here. Next, let us see about mineral-based industry. So mineral-based industries are primary industries that use the mineral ores as their raw material. So ore is a raw material, and that is again converted into a different product, like a construction material or railway materials, etc. They are called as heavy goods, heavy machineries. They are used where ore is converted to many hard materials. Here you can see this picture where a big machine is quarrying and taking the ore, and then that ore will be sent to the big industries. It is treated and converted to heavy machines. Next, let us see about forest-based industry. Forest-based industries, they utilize the produce as raw materials. Where they produce the raw materials, as I told you in last class, how the paper is made. So it is one of the example for forest-based industry. And parasitical products, furnitures, and buildings. So here you can see a wood house here. It is one of the example for forest-based industries, which is made from hardwood. Marine-based. What is marine-based? It is purely the resources which they get from water resource, like marine products, like you get it from sea and oceans as raw material, and then the industries process seafood, manufacture sea oil. So whatever you get from the sea, the living things, they are marine products. Here you can see cod liver oil, then prawns, fish, all marine products. Size. When we are talking about the size of the industry, we have small scale industry, and then we have large scale industry.